Good morning, student. Today we start chapter number 10, friction. In this chapter, exercise number 39. First question is tick the figure which are divided into equal part. So we find which figure is divided in equal part. First is wrong because in this figure this part is maximum and these three part are not equal. Second one is right. This one, first, second, third and fourth, all part are equal. Third one is no. D is right. Then next one is wrong because in this figure first, second, third, fourth there are four part, but first and second is not equal. Same as F. And then G is wrong. H is right because 1 2 3 4 all four triangle are equal. I is right because all part are equal. Now we move to J, K, F, M and M. Okay, so this one is right, this one is wrong and wrong because in this question first, second, third, all K, I, M, all part are not equal. Now we move to question number 2. In question number 2, shade with a pencil 1/2 1/2 in each of the following. So what is the meaning of 1/2? There is numerator and this is denominator. We denote numerator upon denominator. This show the total part. This is the figure. First we divide into two part, and how many part we shed it? One part. So we shed one part. Okay, same as B, we shed half part, and same as this one, we shed half part. Now we move to question number D. You complete this question. E, F, G, H and I. You said 1/2 part of this question. Now we move to question number 3. In question number 3, shade with a pencil 1/3 of each of the part. So this is the total part. This show the total part. So how many part? 1 2 3 part, and we shade only one part. So we shade only one part like this. In question number B, we shade this part, and C only one part. There are three part of up figure. Okay, so you attempt this question D, E and F. Now we move to question number D. In question number D, same 1/4 part. So we shade only one part, and a picture divided into four equal part. So we shade one part. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, now complete this question D, E, F, G, H and I. Now we move to question number 5. In question number 5, shade with a pencil 2/3 2/3 of each of the following figure. So in this friction, a figure divided into three equal part. Okay, and we shade only two part. So three equal part, 1 2 3, and we shade two part like this. Okay, same as question B and C. In question number C, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So picture is divided six equal part, but our question is 2/3. So we divide our figure into three equal part, one part, two part and three part, and we shade only two part. Okay, this is your answer. Now we move to question number 6. In question number 6, shade with a pencil 3/4 or 3/4 of equal part. So this picture divided into four equal part, and we shade only three part. So this is your first part, this is your second part, and this is your second part. So we shade 3 parts. Okay, same as question number B and C. Now we move to question number 7. In question number 7, shade with a pencil 3 by 5. So you complete this one, same as previous question. Now question number 8, shade a part of each of the hole to represent the given friction. In this question there is the friction. Our picture divided into 6 equal parts and we shade only one part. So we shade only one part. Now we move to question number B. In question number B 1 by 2. Okay, so our picture divided into 2 equal part, we shade only one part. And next one is total part is 8 and we shade only 3 part. So first part, second part and third part. Okay, this is our answer. Now we move to question number 8. Now in question number 8, these are the D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the very simple questions, so you complete in your book, not done in your copy, complete in your book only. Okay, next one is, for each of the following figure write the friction. We write friction. So how do we write friction? First we count the total part. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total part is 8. We write 8 is here. And how many parts are shaded? 1 2 and 3. So what is the friction? 3 by 8. Now we move to question number B. How many total part? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we write 5 is here. And how many shaded part? 1 2 3 4. So 4 is here. So answer is 4 by 5. Same as question number C, D, E, F. Completed. Okay. Now we move to question number 10. In question number 10, for each of the following, write the friction shown in the unshaded part. In this picture, we show the friction of unshaded part. So first we count how many total parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total part is 8 and unshaded part 1 2 3 4 5. So friction is 5 by 8. Same as here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total part 6 and unshaded part is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So we write 5 is here. Same question number C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So complete these exercise question number 1 to 10 in your book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.